Have you ever paid a fee just to send your own money? Or waited days for a transfer to go through? Jack Mallers is on a mission to fix that. Today, we're diving into the man behind the app called Strike and how his plan could make Bitcoin as easy to use as a debit card. So, who is Jack Mallers? Jack Mallers is a young entrepreneur from Chicago who believes Bitcoin can make money move faster and cheaper for everyone. He's the founder of an app called Strike, and his big goal is to make sending money with Bitcoin as easy as sending a text message. So, what problem is he trying to solve? Right now, sending money, especially across countries, is slow and expensive. Think of how long it takes for bank transfers or how much PayPal or Western Union can charge in fees. Jack says this system is broken. He believes we need a faster, global way to move money. That's where Bitcoin and something called the Lightning Network comes in. So, what's the Lightning Network? Bitcoin is great, but it can be a little slow. The Lightning Network is like a shortcut built on top of Bitcoin. It lets people send money instantly for just a tiny fee, something less than 1 cent. Jack built Strike to use this shortcut. So, if you use Strike, you don't need to buy or understand Bitcoin. You just send money. And Strike handles everything in the background. It's fast, easy, and works worldwide. So let's go over how Strike works. Let's say you live in the US and you want to send money to a friend in the Philippines. Normally, you'd use a bank or money transfer service that could charge high fees and take days. With Strike, you can send dollars from your phone. Strike turns them into Bitcoin for just a moment, shoots it across the Lightning Network, and turns it into pesos on the other end. All this happens in seconds, and your friend gets the money almost instantly. You don't even need to know it used Bitcoin behind the scenes. That's the magic behind it. Jack's team has launched Strike in parts of Africa, Latin America, and the US. He wants to help people in countries where banks are slow or unreliable. In some of these places, inflation is super high, and Strike gives people a better way to store or send money. He says the internet made it easy to share messages. Now, it's time to make it easy to share money. Jack's new plan is not to lend without selling Bitcoin. Jack launched a new feature where people can borrow money without selling their Bitcoin. Let's say you own some Bitcoin but don't want to sell it because you think the price will go up. With Strike, you can use your Bitcoin as collateral, kind of like holding your car title to get a loan. You borrow some dollars and your Bitcoin stays safe. If the price goes up, you still benefit from it. This is useful for people who believe in Bitcoin long term but need money right now. Jack's not stopping with just an app. He's also starting a new company called 21 Capital, whose main goal is to buy and hold a lot of Bitcoin, just like MicroStrategy did. The idea is that if Bitcoin becomes more valuable over time, holding a big supply of it could make the company very profitable. This move shows he's putting real money behind his beliefs. Now, why is this all important for beginners? Well, Jack's doing two big things. For starters, he's making Bitcoin easier to use for everyday payments. And secondly, he's showing businesses that holding Bitcoin can be smart. So if you're a beginner, this is important because it means Bitcoin isn't just some digital gold that you hold and forget. People like Jack are building ways to actually use it. And you don't have to be technical or rich to get involved. Apps like Strike are making it easy to send money, avoid big fees, and protect yourself from inflation, especially if you live in countries with unstable currencies. If Strike is available in your country, try downloading it and sending a small amount. You'll see how fast and simple it is. You can also follow Jack Mallers online. He often posts short videos explaining what's next. And if you're interested in investing, keep an eye on his new company, 21 Capital, which may be listed on the stock market soon. Jack Mallers is one of the few people in crypto who isn't just talking, he's building. His Bitcoin strategy is about speed, access, and helping people all over the world. Whether you're new to crypto or already holding Bitcoin, his work could change how you use and move money in the next few years. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more beginner-friendly crypto videos, and drop a comment below. Do you think Bitcoin will ever replace Visa or PayPal? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching. I'm Brent from Crypto for Starters. See you in the next one.